I understand. Another tomatoes they make I add join this one. No, so I know I get for today and tomorrow. You might be for what I we've done. Okay, in the evening maybe. Then I'll quit. Okay, yeah, it's true. We don't do jollof already, and I don't do pasta. Okay, yeah, you're right. Tell somebody to give me a joke. They should make a joke because I need some energy.
Well, Derek Photography has been commenting. Said he photography. Said he will volunteer for you next time to do your.
Oh yeah, I need some pictures when I become human.
Yeah.
I need a joke. Can you tell them to make a joke? I need some energy right now, so I need something to make me. My power not there. I need a joke, a funny joke though.
Let's who's
Google some jokes on YouTube. Google some joke. What's that guy that does worship? The guy that does comedian. That he makes comedy, but he's a Christian. He does black something. His name is black. I think black something.
No idea.
They will know. No, I don't need. They will know. Some people don't know it. Black. He's comedian. So Google some of his jokes and tell me. He does worship. He can sing. Black something.
Yes, she's still cooking. You know? The Benice France said, "You still cooking?" I'm like, "Yeah, she's still cooking." Kenny Black.
Yeah.
Yeah. Queen of voice. Queen of voice said
It's
Kenny
not
Black.
Voice. No, Kenny Black is Kenny
No,
Black.
as in the person
Yeah.
that said it.
Yeah, it's Kenny
Queen of
Black.
voice.
Kenny Black. Good job. So Google some Kenny Black comedy for me.
Mike also said Kenny Black.
Yeah.
Like everybody's saying Kenny Black.
Yeah,
now.
he's the one. I describe him when he's one that does worship. He's black. He's funny,
Somebody said,
elegant.
how come you dey cook 18 days without sleeping?
Because they try me. All these Ghana people, they try me. They just say, they don't know say that Ghana they carry last. Hey.
I think you do. What's it called?
No.
You rest. You take 30 minutes break every 6 hours. Yeah. So yes, to answer the person's question, MT 532.
That 30 minutes, you need. I just don't know crazy person wants to do because that 30 minutes is almost equivalent in my head like 1 minute because you don't work out too much. You are working. You are working back. That 30 minutes, not be 30 minutes, now 1 minute for regular normal day. And that 30 minutes I'll come massage my body, power nap. Now I know how to power nap. I can power nap in 2 minutes.
Really?
Like actually sleep in 2 minutes. Like I'll just go.
See, if it was me, it was me.
Yeah.
After I sleep, like they try to wake me up, I won't even wake up.
No, you wake up.
My body will be gone. The spirit, the body will be there, the spirit will be gone. I'm so tired.
But I can't compare. Me, I came from the village. We are built different. Most of the way for them, now they are just fast. People that came from the village, from cassava, we are imbued to the different styles.
I never did farm.
Huh?
Never did farm.
Never did farm?
Apart from, I never went to the farm apart from maybe secondary school. I just
Yeah. Never go to the farm.
But I've done some hard things, right?
But I beg. You
I can't say it on camera. I've done some pretty hard shit.
I beg, man. Don't make me close my mouth. No, man, don't talk about it. You went me again. Like a full description of our job. What is you?
Are you sure? I don't think these people agree.
It smells and it's written all over you. Nobody when they sweep, they sweat.
Sweeping is hard labor. That's punishment. I want to punish somebody, I can tell the person to go and sweep. Yes, you answer the call from your PA.
Mommy, come on.
Somebody wants to go 1,000 hours from Ghana.
Huh?
Somebody wants to do 1,000 hours from Ghana.
May they add the 500, 1,500 will be okay. 1,000 is too small.
Charlie, not give me the Lord on time.
I don't know this thing between Ghana and Nigeria. What they do associate. The ones in abroad here, they don't do all these things.
Mr. MT, 417 hours, 20 minutes. She's been on for it for 18 days.
Yeah.
More than this, but yeah.
Yeah, I lost 1 hour. Well, 2 days, 3 days ago. I lost 1 hour 2 days ago. I didn't come.
Tension don't do everywhere. Pressure, Tiwa. MT, she's gaining for 450 hours, so hopefully by tomorrow she should garner that. Sorry.
I think I have to probably some ice on it.
No, not ice. You need to rub a Vaseline on it.
I'll rub something. Police spray.
You need Vaseline.
Mommy, what that? Police spray.
Okay, yeah, that would work
I don't
too.
know pronounce that name.
That would work.
It looks like police spray, but which is better?
The polysporine, she said. Polysporine. You call me Ajabo now. That's why you're not getting it.
Me, I be Japaku, and I agree. I don't need to change. I don't need to. Police spray? Why you had it to the producer? So come again. Police spray? What is the right?
Polysporine.
What is the person like?
No, somebody said Vaseline care. I'm like, yeah, Vaseline. You have a burn, Vaseline. You rub Vaseline on it.
Listen at this, when they ask me question of lately, yeah, because I want to use this life to while away time, so that way, so let's have a conversation, so I can get some energy. Since I don't have nobody vibing me, maybe my way they line vibe me. So,
you know when you said I don't have somebody vibing me, you know what came to my head? There was this video I saw online of some chairman that he said his boys were not cashing out, and he told them to start dancing for him. It was so funny. They actually were choreographing and they were getting it. They were so serious. But so my man was like, let's go get people just come and start dancing.
Exactly. I need something to hype me up. So make when I ask question. No personal question. Just fun question. Which I think say no they Canada. Oh, start from there. Since I say Canada, they rain for Nigeria. Canada is not for we people. No. Yeah, ask questions.
Waiting. Somebody says she would love to work with you.
Do you know how to?
I do Oluwaseun 45. Says she would like to work with you.
You have to know how to cook. That's my soft spot. I like food.
I do Oluwaseun. You can come over and maybe drop your resume. And maybe have.
How will you want them?
She might be here. Never can tell. But yeah, you can come over to Niger Jollof at Brampton at Queensway.
It's not Queensway. Queen Street.
Queen Street, I'm sorry.
Queensway is the
other one. So yeah, just walk in.
And ask for Mama. Mama will be around.
Says she has 5 years experience. Just walk in if you're here in Canada.
Oh, they're in Canada?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you never come to a restaurant? Nala. Unless they want to do no part-time.
No part-time.
Yeah, because a lot of work to train part-time, the same energy for part-time. So you just have how you are in. I have the principle of plan A, not plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. Too much distraction. I bet you banana flash. They say I eat a lot. That's what they say. I have a lot on my head.
Sorry. No, you have to walk in because you need to show walking. I do Oluwaseun. You need to show walking. call you. Presently, presently it fluctuates. Yeah. No joke yet. Told me to come in. I've been multitasking today. I'm doing videography now. I'm doing comedy, story. Once upon a time. So that's how the tortoise now fall and I crack back. End of story. End of story. It just fall, it just break back. That's why you share a crack. I'm not a good storyteller. Someone is asking, how do they study your strengths?
How do I get my strength?
Yeah, how do they study? They want to learn how you get your strength. Music. Okay.
Play music, not be honest here.
Example of artists you listen to. Example of artists you listen to.
Positive music, positive vibe, gives you energy. And this one that I have, this will not be music, this one I got. So I exhausted the music one, that's why there's no music right now. This one I got.
I think it's just determination. Just put your mind.
With your mind, I am extremely determined. I don't second guess or I can give it to mama. Give it to mama.
To keep in it.
Mommy, that's one way I am machine. You move it. I'm talking about. But you know, someone does not actually, if you see me, maybe there's the first day.
No, I was not there the first day.
The first day, I have to sign a contract with God right away. The first day, I want payment. I can see triple, not be double. Because I don't rest. Planning. I like to be involved.
No, that's what I was telling you just before you started when you were going up and down. I told you that you're supposed to be chilled right now.
Nothing cheap was in my dictionary. The first day, the first day, the second day, the second day. Just come carry over because my feet was swollen.
Someone said she came here with her husband and we played golf for her. She said she was here with her husband and...
Oh, to play golf. Yeah, I remember. Hi, from Oakville.
That's Mommy Mosu.
Yeah, how are you? Thank you so much. That thing that you guys did really boosting my energy. And how's your husband? I hope everybody is fine. I'm still here. I'll be done tomorrow. And thank you for playing the golf.
It's a party tomorrow, right? Tell them about the party.
I'll sign up for playing golf. When I'm done.
Should tell them about the party tomorrow.
And you are living in my favorite place ever. That's
Where's
my
that?
dream place.
Where?
I just go one the place.
Vancouver?
Oakville.
Oakville? What's there in Oakville? I've never been to Oakville.
God, they eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner for that side.
Really?
Yeah. You know, they come before you come to this side, you can take a while. That side, they're not the break and break. They're not the fast and break. They're the
I'll go there. It's not far from Mississauga. I'll just
drive around there.
go for a weekend.
Go in the evening. It's not far. It's right here. It's just that
It's just
the
a go
postal
bus.
code is different.
Just a go bus.
A go bus, but that not be the place where they carry go bus to go.
You know? I've not bought the car yet, so
So rent a car, drive around the lakeshore area, drive around the houses.
I should go and hunt. I should go hunting for Oakville chicks. I'm a single man
What's your
now.
mindset?
I should go with some of my brothers out there that are very good in the work.
With what?
What's his name?
IK and the other one.
What's the other guy's name?
They will take you things with not those.
No, you see, you have to learn a bit of good and a bit of bad. There needs to be balance.
Yeah, Oakville is a nice place.
Oh, Mommy Mosun wants to host you. Or is it me? Do you guys want to host me instead?
Oakville is my dream place. If they ever want to do, you know, those women, this movie they have in the US. What is those women? Hollywood movie? No, white Hollywood.
Somebody said, only small stew when I cook today, all my body don't finish. Sis, I salute your energy.
Honestly, me say if I salute my energy, honestly. Obvious, what did they call that movie? There's this movie that they do, the wife of Atlanta, wife of
Oh, those reality, I don't watch all this shit. That's
They
just,
have to be anyone in Canada, not obvious.
that means you have trophy wives over there.
They are women, they do them.
Really?
I need them. Ask me question.
I don't know who Safi Mix is. Do you know who that is?
Are you serious?
Safi. They are your followers. That's Pepe. That's Pepe. Okay, wait. How many hours of sleep does she get per day? She gets 30 minutes rest for each 6 hours. For every 6 hours, 30 minutes rest. So we have a doctor that comes in every 6 hours, you know, checks on her, checks her vitals, helps her to rest, etc., etc. How many more days left? It's just tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day.
The sweetest day ever.
And there's a party tomorrow, right? By 2 o'clock. So you all are invited. If you're in Brampton, you can still walk in right now. Because everything she makes is free. For the past 18 days, she's been cooking and giving out everything for free. So far, so good. We've given out almost 4,600 free plates of food. Yeah. When I checked it this morning, it was about almost 4,600. So yeah, we don't sell the meals. We just give it out. The only thing we accept are donations to encourage her and to support her. Yeah, this is the count of free meals.
4,596.
Yes, 4,596 free meals given in the past 18 days.
By the time to do that, you don't like
To get like 4, 8 maybe.
don't do that
3 months rest. Someone said she take 3 months rest.
But you know there's bills in Canada.
I swear. After you pay the first month's rent, after you pay the first month rent, you need to wake up. You need to get up. You won't sleep again. Or if you're not paying when they take mortgage or anything, you need to get up. You won't be able to sleep.
Mommy, we're not in the hour with your nana. We're better in the hour with you. I am myself. I'm still blaming. Oh, okay, I'm going to here. You want to eat something?
Not yet. My appetite's still not back. I can't wait for it to be back. Because I eat for fun. I just cook, eat. Sometimes I think about stuff, so I see it online. I'll just crave it next time I'm in the kitchen. Though?
I'm really shaky and big. Because I don't want to do the ayamase, so I want you to know.
Okay. Let me do it. When is my break? It's supposed to be now, Nami. What?
Someone says, all my body, they pay me on your behalf. Another one says, my eyes are heavy for you.
No, my eyes are now blurry. Like I can't see further, which is not a...
Uche Liko 247 says, tell Beauty we love her.
Oh, thank you.
Someone says the beauty she knows will not rest for 3 months, will rest for just 1 day or less.
Huh?
Someone says you will rest for just 1 day or less.
No, that person don't know that. What do you mean?
Molly and John Janzik.
In fact, she really know. What's it? I don't know. She know me from when I entered this country. Yeah, that's true. If I sleep for 12 hours, I'm okay. But
I can't even sleep for 12 hours. I can't sleep for 12 hours.
I break it down.
I can't. I'll wake up, I'll feel sick. Sleeping for so long makes you feel tired.
No, this one I'm not tired. Trust me.
Said Edo State to the world. Oba Tokwe. In fact, you know what can make you alive and active now? Let's just ship in some boys from Upper Sakomba. Yeah. They'll keep you awake for like this another 5 days.
Yeah. They will for sure. They get that energy. Yeah. But you're going to connect all our friends from them. They're going to crack joke for me.
Somebody wants to come online. Maybe he wants to crack joke for you. What's his name? Safi Mix.
Safi Mix?
Yeah.
Okay. As long as if they don't crack joke,
Comrade. Okay. No, I'm sleeping. You can increase this one, right?
you had somebody on the line or not?
This person, do you know this person?
Okay.
Should I put the person in the video?
Yeah, we don't know. Has he been giving you good vibe?
Yeah, it's been
Okay, do you good
requested.
vibe?
Yeah. Erica Billions. It's more than 417 hours, but yeah.
Yeah, I love them. I like comedy, I like music.
comedian online. If anybody can crack jokes, please, you will appreciate. I did my. You can see my joke was boring.
Say topics.
No, that was from Two Faces old album, if you can remember. Yeah, I think that was the intro to his album. He just said something about the tortoise falling down, breaking his back, and that was the end of the story. So, Mommy Mosun is asking, like, what's your advice for any other person that wants to attempt?
I don't know how strong any individuals are, but I would advise because it has a lot of effects, which I'm not going to mention so that I don't scare you guys. But
You should mention them. You should know. Like,
everybody can experience it.
Like stuff you go through, maybe the physical pain, mental pain.
Physical is okay. There's enough. Not everybody can handle it.
Then
So
also,
I tell you now, you get scared.
no, I'll be scared. Also, you let them know.
Do a lot of work on the health wise, like a lot of work, especially on your side. It's not.
Because you've not slept, so you're expected for your.
My loved ones, for sure, I will not have them because it's extremely. Like if it's something that I cannot do again, then that is difficult. Because I'll say everything in my life, if I have to go through there, I'll wait to get except this one.
So you won't do this again. What if someone beats your record? Huh? Wouldn't you want to go back home?
What if someone beats my record?
Yeah.
That is my record I meant to be broken.
How many days did Hilda do again? What? How many days did Hilda do?
4 or 5 days. I didn't 5 days.
They say nobody will be able to break the record again. Well, one thing I know about humans.
That was all I wanted. And constantly, you be stubborn.
But like I can do this, let's just keep doing this. You're like I can do this, let's just keep doing this. Yeah.
I never knew I could even do the 8 days, not to talk of take another person and do my own.
The inscription behind it, I love it so much. That's what I told somebody this morning.
Oh yeah. Oh, this camera is already.
Yeah.
You had a question.
No, and the person, it wasn't a question, the person just made a statement. Somebody says we'll be here in 30 minutes to come and eat. Somebody says we'll be here in 30 minutes to come eat.
Yeah, for sure. Blended pepper. I have pepper. Oh, oh, it's further on this. I don't know. You have.
Yes, it is.
Mommy, there's another one here. Come on.
Really?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
I'm actually hungry.
You don't eat anything you're making?
What I'm making? Yeah, but I know that one I'm making.
So that's what you want to eat.
That would be it. Yeah, I think I'll probably wait.
Make something.
Because I'm not.
Yes, I need something different.
I just don't want to. Laowo.
Try me.
Yeah, I
My cooking has made several people propose to me.
I beg, give me this thing.
What do you want?
Give me Tony Sticky, the brother proposer.
This is small. This is small.
You dey talk, you really sound like a jebo. Tomorrow we'll make it for us.
If you go among my friends, and you say, I'm asking of cereal, they'll say, who's that?
It's serious, now.
They'll be like, who's that? What are you talking about?
Mama,
I say, oh, I'm looking for a job. I was like, immediately.
Actually, I have black soup that I made before.
Black soup? Really?
You was a big one. And they said black soup they did.
Like, I know how to cook it, but I've never made it. I always used to go blend vegetables with my mom. I go to market, buy them, blend them.
But you never made. And you say you want cook food, baby stuff. I say, oh, wow. My face was very
sharp, yeah. Very spicy.
I started cooking when I started.
I was even going to recommend groups I'm using rosemary to boil the chicken. Very nice taste and flavor. Better than thyme.
I don't know if you have some. Let me show you the face of food. Honestly, make I show you the face of food they talk. I bet make I read your love. Thank you. The person who want cook for me, make I chop.
Just I don't want you.
Now Unity, I say they can't chop. Unity, okay, that's my baby. Yeah. Oh my. Huh? You said? Put your thing where now? the
very confident that kind of form you have in Nigeria, you can't get in here. I've gone out there and I've been in Nigeria.
That's no doubt. Yeah, there's no point. Yeah,
the lawlessness that comes with the phone you have is also part of it.
The lawlessness.
Yeah, now that's happening. You be worried like, oh, how will I drive there? Will I take Uber?
Yeah,
I can't do too much.
you don't even have to.
It's
Extremely okay. Look at it. Yeah.
Depressing.
Extremely.
It's depressing.
I was going to say, at least to be depressing, but it's just not depressing. Yeah. Actually, depressing.
The trainer that is winning is very depressing. Still looking like us. It's more depressing.
Maybe show your face if you find one.
No. I'm shy.
You're going to be at the front, don't worry.
Bro, I thought I was going to be behind. I don't see now. I'm okay.
You know, get energy for people to go back.
You think so?
I know so.
I like you when I'm underestimated, to be honest. It gives me an upper hand. So when you won't see me coming. It gives you an upper hand. You'll be surprised when you be like, who did this? And they'll be like, really?
For commercial kitchen.
Okay.
Now residential kitchen is a plantain and egg.
I'll shock you very soon. I'm still on fire, eh? I can't. Okay.
I think it's open it and see if you don't go.
Yes.
Hey, it's just a matter of
My space is wrong. I dance just after this stage. I know you use food and you dance. So first.
I made it. I don't know if you realize Chef Beauty made it.
Bragging rights.
Huh?
Bragging rights. So it's called.
Anything I do,
Sweet.
I say that. See my children. Just look at them. Just see them. See them. Whether they're light skin or a dark skin, they're sweet.
3. I'll say 4. Because here in Canada, dogs are part of family.
Oh, that dog is very expensive.
Yes, sir. So the family member.
In fact, his entitlement is even more than biological kids.
He's even angry in the picture. He's looking like the first.
Yeah, because we didn't put him to sit properly. I had the nanny carrying him, saying, "Oh my God." His entitlement.
Tell your husband or your children to your face.
They took my face. Brother, I'm Benin. I don't know. You want to Google what that means? I'm from Benin.
That means you're strong.
Legit, right? Tell my people, some Benin people, they don't understand. I don't carry this thing with me, I see it test my mind, you don't chop up. cooked, right?
Yes, very.
That's normal. Where the stuff to put more inside? Looks like laundry. Laundry.
Yeah. Just stand for how many minutes? Like that.
Mommy, you guys, money you send them down here.
Sorry.
Hello.
Take it out. To wait. Take it out to wait. Mama is very sweet.
I didn't want those planning that you said.
We've been doing this for a while. New meal. Maybe. You know that kind of soup, the kind of packaging you put in the It seems like a bit everything can go out. The packaging, that kind of yeah, like the present packaging you have has space. So if it turns in nylon, you can pour out.
Most people eating it are going to eat it. If I don't cut it. Okay.
How you doing? Oh my God, you're moving,
You're on camera.
Yeah, I think this is doing nice.
Oh, okay. You can be, you can stay at the back of the
Wow, this is moving. That's amazing.
You can come up with it.
Oh, how long are you gonna continue? Tomorrow. I'm one of the YouTubers. I messaged you. You said I was going home.
I don't read it. I don't
What?
I haven't been.
Some of the guys came here. Some of my guys came here.
Oh, okay.
I think when it first started, they came here. So you still watch the video or right now it's late?
You know, it's playing right now.
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow is the last day.
Tomorrow is the last day. This one tomorrow? No.
Tomorrow you have, yeah, tomorrow you have all the today I have dining night.
Yes. You know well though, honestly. You know well. You know well. 117.
You know, it's more than that, my training stuff. So when you add that together,
Wow.
it's almost like 119.
How many days in total? You're gonna be submitting this one, right? But you will submit it. I'll come tomorrow then for the finale. I'll come tomorrow for the finale.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Yeah, alright, thank you. That's what I was saying. I was waiting for that money. Now I was telling something that I was waiting for that.
What kind of attention is it?
It's better. Can you reduce the temperature out there? Like, there's so hot out there. Maybe because I'm hot. So,
No, mommy, it's too hot to them. They have to, they keep for the thing, they have to change.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, because they keep lower than Tuesday. The key is in the key order. Yeah. like body. Oh, yeah.
Instead I see it. Yeah, this battery is very low now. We need to switch phones. Sorry. This charger is slow.
Oh, my charger is slow, right?
No, it's the cord. I don't think it's the charger, I think it's the cord.
Yeah.
You know it's in the protocol. Is it light in this laptop? Okay, let me get you past that charge. Okay, I'm ending this live now because this phone is about to die.
There's somebody on the line. Have you called the line?
Yeah.